We have a story about a wife appliance. This woman posted in the marriage subreddit saying, "Husband dumped laundry on me while I was asleep." She says this is the mostly typical story of the wife being responsible for all the household and child responsibilities while maintaining a full time job. She says, "Husband has more laundry than anyone else in this house, myself plus our two small children. My husband works a blue collar job, and a majority of his pants had holes in them. Last weekend, he went ahead and threw away 10 pairs of pants with holes in them, leaving him with three good pairs of pants. I picked up our kids as soon as I got off work last evening, and we headed straight to my nephew's birthday party, half an hour away during traffic. Obviously, I did not have time to stop and do any chores at the house. My husband ended up getting home from work at 7 p.m., while the kids and I got home at 9 p.m. I woke up this morning to the clean laundry being dumped on me and my husband ranting that he did not have clean pants for work. I said if he knew he didn't have clean pants for the morning, he could have started a load of laundry with his limited supply of pants. Then it turned into, I guess I now have to do everything. I said no, but I didn't make it home in time last night to really do much chores. The only clothes that were in the dirty laundry hamper were two pairs of his pants, two of his shirts, his very large, bulky Carhartt jacket, and a towel. So, dude came and threw some clothes on this woman who is handling the kids, mostly handling the household, and she does a full-time job. This is where a lot of people are having their contention, their fights, their obstacles in marriage, because even when women do work full time, they're still expected to do all of the full-time work in the household. And this is the reason why I'm seeing a lot of these posts and a lot of these couples fighting all the time, because these dudes, they need the contribution, the financial contribution of a wife, yet they still think they have a traditional setup to where they don't have to pull their weight within the home. And this woman in particular is not she doesn't seem mad enough. And I took these screenshots yesterday, and then I went back yesterday evening, and she had already deleted it because most people were saying, dude is out of pocket. I think that some women come to these posts to vent. They're not ready to leave yet. So that is the reason why I think that they delete the post, because she just is completely gone. I saw this post and this was my comment. Y'all should know how I was going to respond. I said, "You're a wife appliance. You are put here as a utility to serve your owner, the peen haver. He's laying down the law and not accepting excuses." But seriously, some of these husbands are the worst PR for marriage. They really do act like being married to a woman means having a house servant. Dude is the ops at this point. He hates you. Unimpressed says that behavior would be a one-way ticket to me never doing my husband's laundry ever again, because I would not stay in a marriage with such blatant disrespect. Perfect Judge says same. I go on a laundry strike and make sure he had to do his own laundry if he's so upset about this and is willing to act like a heel over it. Don't like laundry being done on my time? Fine, do it yourself on your own time. And she went to a birthday party with their kids. Like, there's only so much time in a day. She works full time as well. That was absolutely ridiculous. I need him to do better. It is what it is says, 2 years ago, my husband said, "All I do is scroll on my phone and do nothing around the house," which to this day is utter BS. I have not done his laundry since. He does it about once a month. I used to go out and buy him new socks and underwear when I noticed they were getting nasty. Not anymore. This is the same man who texted me from work years ago asking me where our sons go to middle school. He legit didn't know what the name was. Okay, wow. Yeah. This is So just yesterday, I did that post where this woman was asking if she was overreacting because dude didn't know her middle name. And this plays right into it. This plays right into it because they become these people that know nothing about the people in their household because they're genuinely not curious. Sunny Heathen says, I asked my husband to write a check for my daughter's school tuition and put it in her folder in her backpack. He had to ask me who to write it out to, the name of the school, and for how much. Single Heart says, we have 3 kids. The oldest is 26 and lives on his own, and the youngest 2 are at home, 17 and 19. A few months ago was the first time ever that my husband took the 2 for their 6-month dental cleaning. He came home and asked me if that had always been done or was that the first visit for them. I said I've been taking each child twice a year from the time that they were 2 years old. Ordinary Mango says, sometimes the penis zaps all the intelligence from men. Moms, we need to do better raising our sons. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, etc. are gender neutral chores. Make sure the boys can handle all those things before you hand them over to some poor girl who's going to wonder why their guy is so clueless. My hubby does more dishes than me, cooks several times a week. He picks up after himself. His mom gave me a man who knew how to do all those things. Stay-at-home moms are a thing of the past. Women who also work outside the home should make sure their guy knows how to help. But the thing is, it's not just about help, and it's not just about the skills that their mother didn't give. At some point, these people should be responsible adults and should know that there is no laundry fairy. There is no dishes fairy. There is no fairy that's sitting up there making your appointments, that they have to do some of this. And it's not, these things are not, these tasks are not difficult to learn. They just don't want to learn them. And this is the reason why Gen Z women are going to continue to opt out. We talked about this article where it says Gen Z males are twice as likely as baby boomers to believe wives should obey husbands. In that survey, it's basically saying that women are the ones that need to be doing the housework and all of that, where these dudes, these Gen Z dudes, have these ideas that they are back in the 1950s where they're going to have a housewife. But this isn't the 1950s. Women have rights, women go to work. So these dudes, they're going to see that they are going to continue to be lonely if they don't come into 2026 and participate in the households. This woman in this story, I don't think she's ready to walk away. She would rather delete the post. I get that. But these new women, they're not going to be accepting this. Piloto Playero says, what the F is wrong with your husband and why are you enabling this behavior? I'm a husband who works a full-time job. My wife is a stay-at-home mom. As soon as I walk through the door, I ask what I can do to help so that she can have a much-deserved break. On my days off, I do laundry, I cook, I clean, I take the kids to school, I take them to their extracurricular activities, etc., and still have time to myself and to relax. My wife handles the entire household when I'm at work, and it's a lot. She does an amazing job juggling everything in my absence. The last thing I would do would be to put even more on her and disrespect her the way you're being disrespected. I have to wear a uniform to work. Guess who's responsible to ensure that it's in good shape and that it's clean before I go back to work again? Me. Don't accept this type of behavior from your husband. Your kids are learning how to treat their future spouses from what they see at home. And this is the type of thing that might cause people to not want to get married based on how they saw their mother treated. Visible Rest says the kids are learning how to treat their now mother based on how their dad is treating the mother. We got Raina saying, my grandsons are 9 and 7 and they do their laundry every day. We need to raise the bar with the next generation. Long Jumping Play says, oh, I thought he dumped fresh from the dryer laundry. That is enjoyable. This is not. Sorry you dealt with that immature behavior. I'm going to segue back to this article. I'm sorry, this graph. Y'all know that article that it was saying that Gen Z men thought that women should obey. This question was asked in the same survey. So the question was, a woman should not appear too independent and self-sufficient. All right, so there are always going to be more men that agree with that and less women. But look at the gulf, look at the divide between Gen Z men and women. This tells me that these younger dudes are going to be lonelier because they don't want women to be too independent, and women disagree with that. So we're going to see the birth rate plummet to hell and these dudes get lonelier. Y'all weigh in.